Good afternoon. This afternoon on the bench we've got this, an old Telstra router that I just found in amongst all my crap and thought, you know what, I bet many people haven't seen and signed these, so I went fuck it, let's pull one apart today. Yeah, by the looks of that, I need one of these. I believe there's more screws under the back here, under the sticker. Because it is just a sticker. Guess we'll find out if that one's a sticker if need be soon. Oh yep, it's a sticker. It's just a pain to take off. And there is a screw. Would you look at that? Now let's see how hard this is to take off. No, not very. Should come out reasonably smoothly. It's just clipped in there with a couple of screws. And there's the back open. As you can see, there's quite a lot, well, as you can't see because my camera doesn't want to focus, but yeah, as you can see, there's quite a lot going on in here. Let's get the bottom off of this. I shall introduce the crying soon. Not even sure if you guys can hear him. Ah, there's one more screw that I didn't see. I was wondering why I was having such a hard time getting it off. I'll tell you what, that'll do it. And there's the bottom off. And now we've got these 4 screws. and then this metal cage should come out. As you can see, it's a bit dirty on the inside. This router was in service for quite some time. I am quietly hoping that I can save it, but I'm not overly fussed if I can't. And there we go. There's the entire guts of it. Would you look at this? We got all sorts of crap going on this. Unfortunately, I'm no big Clive, so I can't tell you a lot what's going on, but I know these are a lot more complicated than what they used to be, at least for Telstra. Let's see if we can't go any further here. All the screws are the same size. That's a bonus. Wasn't really expecting that, considering no one's supposed to be in here. Now I will be saving all of these screws and all of these probably Wi-Fi antennas and stuff like that. Because they do come in handy. You never know when a Wi-Fi antenna might come in handy. So, we'll see. Now I gotta remember how to take these off. There's two little Phillips screws in the end here that I've got to take out. Okay, I can't tell what's holding these boards in. There's a screw there that I missed. Standing here. Oh, another one I missed. Alright, that board wants to leave now. Did I miss any on this side? Yes, I did. Oh, more crap falling off it. That was just a Wi-Fi antenna, in case you're wondering what went flying across the screen then. Alright. So this is one of the boards. So this looks like the power input board. So this one takes the 12 volts in and then distributes it and steps it up and down to whatever it needs to go to. This is the interconnect between the two boards. Here's the matching socket here. It doesn't explain why it's such a pain to get out. Well, that explains why that one's such a pain to get out. The screw hidden under the boots. So let's get that one out. And then this board should come out. And then this is the switchboard, so the Ethernet switchboard. Looks like this thing's definitely seen better days. I'm glad it's not in service anymore. So yeah, this is the interconnect for the other board. These are just sort of sandwiched together like so, with the steel backbone, so when you drop it, it doesn't do that. So yeah, I guess that's what there is to see. Guess I've got to clean this mess up, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Oh wait, that reminds me. I have to show you guys what that swooking was. You ready? Oh, come here, buddy. Come on. Ooh. Here's what that sucking was. He doesn't like being away from me, so when I put him on his bed under the desk here, he didn't like it. So, I shall see you guys in the next one. Be good.